Recently, I was able to stimulate this plant to produce a new growth. This is a clitoria plant. This climber of clitoria was only growing tall on this grill, and there were no leaves in between for a long time that are at reachable position of my hands. Leaves were only present at its apex. See, at this height where my hands can't reach. So I was not able to do pruning at the apex. Also, I couldn't pluck the flowers that grew at this height. Aparajita flower is so close to my heart and I couldn't reach it. It was very far. So I wanted to do something about it. There were no leaves in between, but there were 3 seed pods that were not matured completely and were there on this plant since long time. Now the only trick I applied is that I pinched off or plucked only 2 seed pods out of 3. The one pod was kept on the plant as it was. After this, within 3 to 4 days, I started seeing new tiny growth where I had pinched off the seed pods, and then in 3 to 4 days further, the new growth has grown this much. Now, what's the science behind this that has worked to boost this growth? So, auxins are the growth hormones in plants that are produced by the tip or apex of the plant. The apex has apical meristematic tissues. These auxin hormones cause vertical growth or apical growth in plants. Now, what is apical dominance? The auxins produced by the tip travels down the stem to inhibit lateral buds, so lateral growth does not take place. So removing the tip of the plant removes this inhibition, and that is the reason why vertical pruning boosts the lateral growth of a plant. So basically, tips or apexes of all the branches produce auxins. So when I pinched off the seed pods that were grown from a lateral bud, this action helped in removal of auxins traveling down at lateral branch, and hence the new growth is started. Inhibition of auxins and production of cytokinins create a new growth in plants. While auxins promote cell elongation, cytokinins cause cell division. So this way lateral pruning can be used to control vertical growth of a plant and boost its lateral growth. Especially when we can't reach the top of the plant, lateral pruning is helpful.